Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Wellness Wisdom Hub. If you're new here, we explore the wonders of holistic health and well-being, giving you the tools to live a vibrant and empowered life. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of eating whole foods every day. Grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what whole foods actually are. Whole foods are foods that are as close to their natural form as possible. This means they're minimally processed and free from artificial additives. Think of fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Unlike processed foods, which often lose nutrients during production, whole foods retain their nutritional integrity, making them a powerhouse for your health. One of the main reasons whole foods are so beneficial is their nutrient density. Nutrient-dense foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients your body needs to function optimally. For instance, a single apple contains fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and various antioxidants. Compare that to a slice of apple pie, which may have some of these nutrients but also comes with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. By choosing whole foods, you're giving your body the best possible fuel. Whole foods play a crucial role in boosting your immune system. Foods like citrus fruits, leafy greens, and berries are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that help strengthen your body's defense mechanisms. For example, vitamin C found in oranges and strawberries helps in the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. Zinc, found in nuts and seeds, is another important nutrient that helps maintain immune function. Eating a variety of whole foods ensures you get a broad spectrum of these immune-boosting nutrients. Another amazing benefit of eating whole foods is improved digestive health. Whole foods are rich in dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy gut. Fiber adds bulk to your stool and helps it move through your digestive tract more easily, preventing constipation. Foods like oats, beans, and whole grains are excellent sources of soluble fiber, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut. This not only aids digestion, but also supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is linked to numerous health benefits, including better mood and immunity. Whole foods can also help stabilize your blood sugar levels. Refined carbohydrates and sugary foods cause rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar, leading to energy crashes and increased hunger. On the other hand, whole foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables have a lower glycemic index. This means they are digested more slowly, providing a steady release of energy and keeping your blood sugar levels more stable. This is particularly important for managing and preventing type 2 diabetes. Did you know that what you eat can also affect your mental well-being? Whole foods are packed with nutrients that support brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids found in flax seeds and walnuts are essential for brain function and can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. B vitamins, found in leafy greens and legumes, play a key role in energy production and brain health. Additionally, antioxidants in fruits and vegetables help protect your brain cells from oxidative stress, which is linked to cognitive decline. If you're looking to manage your weight, whole foods are your best friend. They are naturally lower in calories and higher in fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied. For example, a bowl of mixed berries will fill you up much more than a handful of sweets, and it provides essential nutrients without the empty calories. Whole foods also help regulate your metabolism and prevent overeating by stabilizing blood sugar levels and reducing cravings. Consuming whole foods regularly can significantly reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Studies have shown that diets rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts are linked to a lower risk of heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. The antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats in these foods help protect your body from inflammation and oxidative stress, which are major contributors to chronic diseases. By making whole foods a staple in your diet, you're taking a proactive step towards long-term health. Let's not forget about the skin benefits. Whole foods can give you that natural glow we're all after. Foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, like sweet potatoes, oranges, and almonds, are fantastic for skin health. These vitamins help repair skin tissue, reduce inflammation, and protect against sun damage. The healthy fats in avocados and nuts also keep your skin hydrated and supple. So if you're aiming for clear, radiant skin, start from the inside out with Whole Foods. Choosing whole foods is not only beneficial for your health, but also for the environment. Whole foods generally require less processing, packaging, and transportation, which means they have a smaller carbon footprint compared to highly processed foods. By eating more whole foods, you're supporting sustainable farming practices and reducing waste. It's a win-win situation for both your health and the planet. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's talk about some practical tips for incorporating more whole foods into your diet. Start by making small swaps, like replacing refined grains with whole grains. For example, choose brown rice over white rice, and whole grain bread instead of white bread. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your meals, aiming for at least 5 servings a day. Snack on nuts, seeds, and fresh fruit instead of processed snacks. And remember, cooking at home gives you more control over the ingredients you use, so try to prepare your meals from scratch as often as possible. I know that changing your eating habits can be challenging, especially with a busy lifestyle. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be all or nothing. Start with small, manageable changes, like adding an extra serving of vegetables to your dinner, or swapping out sugary drinks for water or herbal tea. Planning your meals ahead of time and keeping healthy snacks on hand can also make it easier to stick to whole foods. And remember, it's okay to indulge occasionally. The goal is to create a balanced diet that you can maintain in the long term. One of the best parts about eating whole foods is discovering the joy of fresh, delicious ingredients. When you start to explore the world of whole foods, you'll find a variety of flavors and textures that make eating healthy truly enjoyable. From the sweetness of fresh tomatoes and peppers to the joy of delicious salmon, eating whole offers a sensory experience that processed foods just can't match. Plus, experimenting with new recipes and ingredients can be a fun and rewarding way to expand your culinary skills. Thank you so much for joining me today and exploring the amazing benefits of eating whole foods every day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on holistic health and wellness. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you and helping you on your journey to vibrant health. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.